all the candidate and viewers of my YouTube channel. Today we are learning a very important topic of class 8, that is understanding quadrilateral, question number 6. Now most of the candidate doesn't able to understand this question as easily as it can be. It is very easy questions. Look at the figure. It is having, first of all you have to name it A, B, C and D. Now as you know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 180 degree. So we can write it angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A is 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus X is equal to 360. Why it is equal to 360 degree? Because the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. If it is not a quadrilateral, suppose it is more than 4 side, 5 side, 6 side. For finding that, in that case we have to use the formula, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n stands for the number of sides. Suppose there are 5 sides, so we have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So 3, 180, 540. This is the example I am giving for those who the sides is more than 4, 5, 6 and 8. Now after adding 5, 130 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. I am doing the math in a step by step method, through which even the poor student or the weakest student can able to understand my solution very easily. Now 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 2, 3, that is 300. 300 degree plus X is equal to 360 degree. Now after that, X is equal to what? X is equal to 360 degree minus 300. When we change the side from the left to right or right to left, the symbols are changing. When it is plus, plus to minus, minus to plus, this is the min method. Now after that, what is the answer? The answer is 60. This is the answer for finding the value of X. It is clear to all the candidates. Now we are learning the next question, that is question number 7. Now this is the question number B. Now look at the figure first of all. After that we have to name it A, B, C and D. As you know that the angle D is given 70 degree, angle C is given 60 degree, angle A is X and angle B is what? First of all you have to invest your mind. Now if you look at the figure closely or very accurately, you observe that this angle is given 90. As you know that the linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. So this angle is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. That is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now applying the same formula, the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is given by a formula, that is simple formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. It is very important, you must remember n is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So it's 2 multiplied by 180 degree and the answer is 360 degree that I have told in the previous question. So first of all we have to add all the angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Angle is A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A is given X plus 90 plus 60 plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. We have to first have given the symbol of degree also. Plus, now after adding this, that is 90 plus 60 is equal to 150 and 150 plus 70, we have to add it. 150 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Adding what we got, 0, 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, that is 220 degree is equal to 360. We have to do the maths in a very liberal or easy method, so every students or every viewers of my YouTube channel will able to understand this question very easily. 140. This is the answer of the angle A. So this angle is equal to 140 degree. Clear? This angle is equal to 140 degree. If you are new to our channel, then please like, share, subscribe and press notification bell for the latest videos I am uploading every day in the mathematics and science. And please comment me on the comment box so that I can improve my video and to help you to understand better the mathematics and science. So love you all and be safe and be helpful to the other candidates, all the localities. Thank you. I love you all. Bye bye.